Metal detectors, utilizing electromagnetic fields, skillfully uncover hidden metal objects beneath the ground. Widely employed by treasure seekers, archaeologists, and security personnel, these devices vary in type and size, from portable handheld units to robust industrial-grade machines. Tailored to specific tasks like beachcombing or gold hunting, these detectors boast adjustable sensitivity, discrimination, and ground balance settings, enhancing signal filtration and precision. If you're in the market for a new metal detector, join us as we review the top 5 best metal detector in 2024. Links to all products featured in this video are provided in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let's embark on this exhilarating journey together. Number 5. Kentalk Tool T11 Detector. The Kentalk Tool T11 detector is a professional metal detector designed for treasure hunting, boasting high precision and sensitivity with its advanced microchip and 10-inch pure copper coil. Featuring multifunctional modes, it accurately detects various metals like coins, artifacts, jewelry, gold, and silver. The all-metal mode alerts to any metal presence, while the DISC mode distinguishes between metal types and excludes unwanted items. The notch mode accepts signals from specific metal categories, and the pinpoint mode assists in locating targets precisely. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use with easy adjustment of the rod length and wrist section. The controller, with a display screen and buttons, enhances the user experience, allowing mode adjustment, volume control, and sensitivity adjustment. Moreover, its IP68 waterproof rating makes it suitable for outdoor treasure hunting in diverse environments. Number 4. DrTech Metal Detector. The DrTech Metal Detector is a versatile choice suitable for professionals and hobbyists alike. Boasting a large LCD display and a 9.8 wide search coil, it offers adjustable stem and sensitivity settings for personalized use. Included in the package are a premium headset, heavy-duty digger shovel, and multi-purpose carrying bag, enhancing convenience during treasure hunting expeditions. Customers have lauded its accuracy, ease of assembly, and lightweight design, making it an excellent option for travel, vacations, camping trips, and outdoor outings. With its durable construction and intuitive operation, this metal detector ensures countless hours of enjoyable exploration, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable use even during extended sessions. Its versatility extends beyond mere treasure hunting, serving as a tool for educational experiences and environmental preservation efforts, earning it widespread acclaim in the metal detecting community. Number 3. Alhund Upgraded Metal Detector. The Alhund Upgraded Metal Detector for adults offers higher accuracy and sensitivity thanks to its upgraded DSP chip and 10-inch search coil. Its IP68 waterproof feature allows for exploration in water or on beaches, while its 4 distinct modes provide versatility in detecting various metals. The metal detector is lightweight and ergonomically designed, featuring an adjustable armrest and anti-slip handle for comfortable use. With lifetime call center support, it presents a risk-free investment and a wonderful gift for treasure hunter enthusiasts of all ages. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while its intuitive operation makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users alike. Whether you're searching for relics, coins, or jewelry, this metal detector is sure to enhance your treasure hunting experience. Number 2. Laran Metal Detector. The Laran Metal Detector, designed for adults, features a rechargeable lithium battery for over 20 hours of continuous use and a power bank charging function for uninterrupted outdoor detection. Its compact, portable design, adjustable for both adults and kids, offers 5 modes for higher accuracy, including all metal and pinpointer modes. With a large backlit LCD display and waterproof search coil, it's suitable for various detection environments. Complete with accessories, including a metal detector backpack, shovel, headphones, charging cord, and user manual, it's perfect for treasure hunting, family outings, and makes a great gift for birthdays and Christmas. Number 1. Panky Metal Detector. The Panky Metal Detector offers exceptional value, rivaling more expensive models, with comprehensive features suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Notable features include 5 detection modes for tailored searches, a waterproof search coil for up to 10 inches penetration, and a large LCD screen providing detailed feedback. Despite minor issues with excessive beeping and wet conditions, the detector's versatility and user-friendly interface enhance the overall detecting experience. Bundled accessories such as headphones, a detection bag, backpack, and shovel further elevate its value proposition, offering convenience and practicality straight out of the box. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, so thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and connect with us for the latest technology and review. We receive motivation of your feedback. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thank you.